Hi students, today is a very crucial lesson, and in today's lesson we are going to learn when and how you can use third person singular and what is the spelling rules of making third person with the verb. So in today's lesson we are going to learn about the verb and how you can change the ending for third person such as he and it. So let's get started with our today's lesson. So as we know, there are vowel and consonants in an alphabet. So what is vowel and what is consonant? So there are 5 vowels, as you know already, A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining 21 are consonant from the alphabet. But in our today's lesson we will also learn about syllable. So what is syllable? A syllable is a mix of combinations of vowel and consonant pronounced together, such as onset, O-N-S-E-T, on, set. So there is 2 O-N, on is the combinations of vowel and consonant, set, S-E-T, set is again the combinations of vowel and consonant. So we cannot pronounce this together like onset, we cannot do it. We have to say onset, membrane. So these are called syllable, and previously we have discussed about vowel. Now let's learn the rules of creating third person singular. So the first rule is the rules for replacing with a verb which end with ch, s, h, x and z. So these are the words that we are going to change. For such verb, all you have to do is just add es in the end, such as watch, watches, pass, passes, push, pushes, fix, fixes, buzz, buzzes. Simple. Just add es in the end. Next, the verb end with ce, ge, se and ze. So for such verb, all you have to do is just add s in the end. So for example, race, races, rage, rages, praise, praises, dose, doses. Simple. Now let's move to the third. The verb end with ke, le, ne and ve. So for such verb, you just have to add again s in its end. Let's take the verb make, makes, smile, smiles, dine, dines, save, saves. Very simple. Now what do you do when the verb ends with o? So for the verb end with o, when the verb ends with o, all you have to do is just add es in its end. For example, do, does, go, goes, echo, echoes. Simple. Now when the verb ends with a y, what are you going to do when the verb ends with y? For the verb end with y, you have to replace the y with ies. You have to replace y with ies. For example, study, S-T-U-D-Y. Then here you're going to replace y with ies. Studies, fly, flies, carry, carries. So that is it for today's lesson. So I'm ending this lesson with by giving you an exercise. I'm going to give you an exercise for this word: write, sleep, walk, clean, speak and win. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing and keep talking, because this is a language, nothing more than a language. If you are interested in being a student at Vikrant Academy, go to www.vikrantacademy.org. From there, go to a student section, fill out your detail and submit it to us. If you are an educator and want to teach on our platform, go to educator section, submit your details and your CV and send it to us. We will revert you back with few questions to have you on board as a team in Vikrant Academy. Do subscribe to this channel to get more such videos like this. I hope you liked the lesson today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us out. We will see you in our next lesson.